In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zip and unzip files in Windows 11 using 5 image files as an example. We'll start with 5 images on the desktop, compress them into a single zip file, extract them back again, and also see how to extract only specific files from the zip archive. Let's get started. Step 1. Select the 5 images. As you can see, I have 5 image files on my desktop. The first thing we need to do is select all 5 images. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each of the 5 images. Once all 5 images are selected, you can release the Control key. Step 2. Compress the images. Now that the 5 images are selected, right-click on any one of them. From the menu, select Compress to zip file. Windows will create a new zip file on your desktop containing all 5 images. You can give the zip file a name. For this example, I'll call it my 5 images. Press Enter to save the name. We now have one zip file containing all 5 images. Step 3. Check the zip file. Let's double-click the new zip file. Windows will open the zip archive and show us its contents. As you can see, all 5 images are inside the zip file. The original images are still on the desktop as well. Creating a zip file doesn't delete the original files. Step 4. Uncompress the images. Now let's extract the images from the zip file. Close the zip window and right-click on My 5 Images zip file. Select Extract All. Windows will ask where you want to extract the files. For this example, I'll leave the default location and click Extract. Windows will now create a new folder and extract all 5 images into it. Step 5. Check the extracted files. Once the extraction is complete, Windows will open the new folder. And there we have it. All 5 images have been extracted. We now have the 5 images available as normal files again. Step 6. How to extract only certain files. Sometimes you don't need every file inside a compressed archive. For example, let's say we only need 2 of the 5 images. Instead of extracting the entire zip file, double-click the zip file to open it. You'll see all 5 images inside. Select the file or files you need. You can hold down the Control key to select multiple files. Now right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C. Navigate to the folder where you want to put the files and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Only the files you selected will be copied out of the zip archive. This is useful when a zip archive contains many files, but you only need 1 or 2 of them. Step 7. Zip files and storage space. One important thing to remember is that compression doesn't always make every type of file significantly smaller. Documents and some other types of files can often benefit from compression. However, files such as JPEG images, MP4 videos, and many other modern formats are already compressed, so creating a zip file may not reduce their size very much. In our example, the 5 images may not become dramatically smaller after being compressed. The main benefit in this case is simply putting multiple files into one convenient archive. Instead of sending 5 separate images, we can send one zip file containing all 5. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.